Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making chin chin. Very soft, sweet, yummy chin chin. I call this milky chin chin. So this should be on your Christmas menu. This chin chin, don't miss out. Use it to wow your guests on this holiday season. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using. I'll be dropping all the recipe and their measurement in my description box, so do well to check them out. So firstly, I'll pour in all my dry ingredients and mix them together, which is the flour, baking powder, salt, milk flavor and nutmeg. So that is sugar going in. So I'll mix that together and set it aside. Then I'll get my wet ingredients ready. I'll pour in the milk, 1 cup of milk, which is the whole carton of the Hollandia evaporated milk, inside the egg. Then I'll add in half teaspoon of supreme flavor. Whisk that together and set it aside also. I'll bring back the dry ingredients and add in the butter. So I'm going to add in the butter and use my hand to rub it in very well. Like I said, the measurement will be in my description box. If you are new here and you have watched to this extent, please kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for the support so far, and to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique Dija Space. So now I'll mix the both ingredients together, which is the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. If you don't want to use much milk, you can use half cup of water and half cup of milk. But this recipe, I'm not going to add any water at all. I'm using milk for this chin chin. That is why I call it milk chin chin. It is very delicious, very soft, yummy. Just try it out. Follow this measurement, follow this recipe, and you'll come back to the comment section to tell me how delicious it is. Guys, don't over knead it. Just make sure everything is well combined, and you cover it and allow it to rest for like 5 minutes before you work on it again. Today is vlogmas day 19. Thank you all so much. We are moving. Thank you for your support. Please keep supporting your girl by subscribing, watching and sharing my video. Please like my video to get to a larger audience. Thank you. So I'll be stretching it out. I cut it into 2. I'm going to make this flat and the other one will be a little bit fat. So I just want to show you the 2 sides. You can cut it into any shape of your choice, any desired shape of your choice. Just follow the recipe and you'll see how yummy it is. can see the way I'm cutting it. I cut it into a square shape. Next chin-chin recipe I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the commercial chin-chin. As we all know, this cannot go for commercial because commercial we can't add much egg and milk on it this way. So I'm going to share with you how you can make your commercial chin-chin for business. This is the second part. I didn't press it down very thin. You can see it's still a little bit thick. My pot is on fire with my vegetable oil. I heat that up. So you can see it's already hot and ready to be fried. So I'll pour it in. Please don't mix it immediately as you are putting it in. Give it a little time. Then when you want to use, you can see the way I'm doing mine. Don't use your sieve to press it down. You see the way I'm doing it. Everything will come out one on its own. Yes, it's already golden brown and I'm okay with this, because if you bring it out it will still be cooking on its own. You have to bring it down earlier. Don't allow it to over brown before you start bringing it out. You see our nice made chin-chin. Thank you for your support. I can't appreciate you guys enough. I really appreciate. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.